Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2018 Mini Countryman, and this is the 1.5 petrol Cooper with the chili pack. So make sure you've got the chili pack because that's £2,000 plus of extras that the car will have straight away off the bat. Now this colour is the light white paintwork, best colour. Complements the black roof and black mirror caps well, and then shows off all the silver external SUV detail. So let's take a look around now. The paintwork's in wonderful order, and you can tell that the car has truly been cherished by the previous keepers. The black mirror caps and the black roof are extras as well. Now coming round the front, we get the front spot lamps there in the bumper. We get the black and silver chrome. Now the 17-inch alloy wheels are finished in wonderful condition. They are very, very well cared for cars, these, and the last owner on it, you can see it's been very, very lightly used. We've got 2 keys with it. Everything that was supplied new when it was there is also available today. Now when you look at the advert, we've listed all the factory options because Minis do get lots of options. So the paintwork, as you can see, is in high gloss finish. Looking down the sides, they're free from any parking net, dent or knock. This one has the privacy glass in the rear, again just blends nicely with the black roof, the black upgrade on the doors, etc. It just looks wonderful. Now we've got reverse parking sensors as well. We've got the Mini Countryman decal across the boot, and we've got the Cooper designation. Opening the boot, we have this lovely large, easy to enter boot space. This is a boot floor that you can also lift up, as you can see there, and then we've got the tailored mat set and the inflation kit in there as well. Now the inflation kit, that's an option, so it's nice to see that that's still there, but just looking around it, it is a lovely, lovely car. Again, roof bars if you wanted to put a top box on, but a very, very nice SUV these. Wonderful to drive, fantastic on fuel, sat on really great tyres all round. The driver's side then mirrors that of the passenger and is free from any trolley dent. This has got comfort access as well, so you can press that little button there. Because the keys are in my pocket, it's locked. So we've got the car lock now, the alarms on also. So very, very nicely detailed. Now I'll go entering the car, press it again, and if you watch, it opens up again. So jumping in, because it's got the chili pack, we've got the half leather sports seats. And that's all part of a chili pack. We've also chili packed the digital climate control and air conditioning. We've got automatic headlamps. We've got automatic wipers, 4 electric windows, electric door mirrors. We've got the mini decal on the sill plates. But jumping in the car, I'll start her up just so the keys are in my pocket. Dip the clutch, up we start, and that gives us a mileage then on the speedometer there. Needs a bit of fuel then. 23,726 miles, so that's nice, isn't it? Now, we've got speed limiter and cruise control on the left, we've got voice control radios on the right, automatic wipers are there, and onboard computer. Lovely leather trimmed 3-spoke steering wheel is super nice in the hand, and then we do have the 6-speed manual transmission. This one's got the factory option also of heated front seats. We've got the sport and the green button which we can change there now, and that then we can go through the experiences of driving the car. Down on the center console we've got the media, communication, Sat Nav. So if we press the map there, it will give us our satellite navigation. Pressing the same button then, destinations. We've got the media player, so that's your CD, not CD, it is showing my age there. DAB radio. You can Bluetooth as well, so you can connect your phone and then it'll stream music off your phone also. Grey detail running along the dash, then into this sort of ellipsoid stripe it's called on the seats. Everything about it's in wonderful condition. Now I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper's not smoked. We've got locking wheel nut key and book pack also in the glove box. But very nice light grey headlining, But just look at it, it's a lovely sized car, these. I must admit, they are really, really nice to own, to drive. Very, very super fuel efficient. You can have the green driving mode on, which I've got there. Like the climate control, so it's electronically adjusted. You can set that automatic, comes on and goes off as the temperature increases or decreases. And then we've got the USB and the auxiliary also in there. But all round, a superb car. Very, very well looked after and very, very clean. Now, jumping in the rear of this vehicle, you can see that it's as good as the front, so you get the half leather seats as well. All the carpets are in wonderful condition, no damage. In fact, it's still got the plastic covers on these from new, so no real marks or anything around it. But all in all, a lovely, lovely example. So, I'm Graham, we've got Lee and we've got Dom on sales. We'll be happy to help you in any way. If you've got a part exchange or you need finance, give us a call, we'll be able to give you a quote. Have a look at our reviews, you'll see we're a 5-star dealer. We've been doing this now in Wigan for more than 40 years from our prestigious showroom. Check out our social media, you'll see lots of customers coming from around the UK. If you'd like to reserve the car with us, just give us a call, we can sort that out, no issue whatsoever. But as for now, we thank you for your video and we look forward to your inquiry.